Hello guys, this is Subrata Ghanty with you. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to the new series tech tutorial. Today we are going to make a poster using canva.com. First of all, go to canva.com. I have already put this link in description. There are many options for making poster like Photoshop, Pixlr, MS Word, PowerPoint, etc. But in Canva you can design anything. Now go to create design tool. Choose what you wanna be designed today. Suppose I wanna design a poster, then click on poster. In the wait in the left you can see many ready-made templates already designed here. Choose your favorite one. Suppose I am choosing this template. After choosing your favorite template, you can customize this. Suppose you want to change this image, then delete it and then choose what you want to put here. I already have many uploaded image here. If you want to upload your own image, go to upload section and upload your file. Suppose I want to add this. This is how you can customize your poster. Here I already designed a poster, so let's see how to design it. Suppose you want to make a poster for Rabindra Jayanti celebration. Rabindra Jayanti celebration 2020. Now I want to add a picture. This perfect. Now I want to add this logo that I already uploaded here. Here. Now I want to add this picture. Here you can see that I using the picture without background to make my poster attractive. You can use it too. If you want to remove your background from your poster, simply go to remove.bg, link in description. Then upload your image and wait few seconds. Preparing uploading. It's too simple. You can see the background is removed successfully. You can download it or copy it. Now I copy it and paste it to my poster. You can see the text is covered, so bring it forward. Once more, bring it forward and once more. Okay, now place it where you want to be. My poster is almost ready. You can see that in this poster I add many social media link. You can add it too. So how to add this? If you want to add like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, etc., simply go to the element section. Search. Suppose you want to add Facebook logo. Search for Facebook. Here you can see many Facebook logo is here. Choose what you want to add in your poster. I want to add this to my poster. Bring it forward once more, then resize it. Wait. I delete my previous logo and add this logo. Perfect. You can see my logo is perfectly placed. Now the poster is ready. Now go to download section and choose which format you want, like JPG, PNG, PDF, etc. After choosing the format, simply click on download. You can see the message preparing your design, and your poster is downloaded successfully. Now you can post your poster where you want. So let's visit this web and create your awesome poster today. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. And please comment us what kind of technical video you would like to see in this series. See you again in the next video. Bye.